Today I'm going to be showing you what the website Front Row Education looks like. This is the home page. There is a teacher sign-in and a student sign-in. So for teaching my children, I'm going to have them collect the student sign-in. On the application on an iPad, you can also select student sign-in or teacher sign-in. And the student needs to be able to type their first and last name. Capitals don't matter. You're given a class code, which is pretty short, and you can post that somewhere in your classroom for you to log on. So as you can see, it's very student friendly. This is my avatar. These are the coins that you get for when you get answers right. And this can be an incentive for students because they're put on a team and you're able to see which teams are able to make the most coins. There are some ELA word study activities, but today we're just going to be focusing on math. So we're going to click on the math button, and this is going to be where the students are doing their differentiated practice. So they're going to give you a suggested option, but what I would tell my students is, okay, today we're going to be taking the pre-test on base 10. So everybody would click on base 10, we're ready to start. And what I would do is I would make sure that my students understand every feature that there is on this application. So students are able to drag and drop these numbers. So you have to click on it and then it will bring it over so they don't have to worry about dragging it. That's pretty hard for second graders, so I'm sure it would be hard for first graders. So I could do something like that with these numbers on the side. I also have a drawing pencil where I can draw notes. I'm able to move things around with this, erase if I need to, delete what I've drawn, and if I click on this, a whole slew of manipulatives pop up. So students who maybe were still working on counting can grab the blue block and they can have a visual representation there. They also have this for higher grades, so all of the manipulatives stay the same throughout the grade levels. And another thing that is really going to be helpful for my first graders is with word problems, they may not be so comfortable reading yet. And so this button will actually read the entire problem along with the choices. So that is very helpful. And then there are times where they have a multiple choice answer. There are times where they have to type in an answer. And there are lots of different things. So that is Front Row. And that is something I'm going to be using with my first graders next year.